Hey guys, I'm Alejandra Paladino, your local Arizona real estate agent, and welcome to today's property tour. I'm sharing with you a gorgeous house that was recently built in the Biltmore Arcadia area. It's 3,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. It's got a gorgeous contemporary design. I cannot wait for you to see it. And if you want any information about the house or any other one, reach out. All the information is below. And if you like what you see in the video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can join the family and know when the next video comes out. And make sure you stay until the end, as I'm going to be sharing more about the neighborhood and surrounding area. Right when you walk up to the front, you notice the paver driveway and front courtyard. I love that there's an area in the front so you can sit outside and enjoy when the weather is cooler. And this oversized iron glass door really makes a statement. When you step into the house, you notice the open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Flooring is wood plank flooring throughout. As we head to the kitchen, you immediately see the lighting under the cabinets, which is a nice touch. Nice sized island and quartz countertops throughout. I love the built-in 48-inch stainless steel refrigerator. This large stainless steel oversized sink makes for easy washing of dishes. There's a nice tile backsplash that really ties in the countertops with the cabinets. This chef's kitchen is a dream, with 6 gas burner stovetop and large stainless steel range hood. Now we head towards the garage, which you walk through the laundry room to get to. It's a 2-car garage that even has pavers on the floor. This is the first time I've seen a garage like this. Laundry room has plenty of cabinet storage space and a built-in sink. This is the main dining area, which is down the hall from the bedrooms. This is 1 bedroom, spacious in size. Now we've got a half bathroom. Here is the full bathroom with tub and shower combination. And there's tiling actually on the wall, and it's got quartz countertops and the same flooring throughout the house. Here's another bedroom. Here is a bedroom suite. It actually feels like a primary bedroom. It's got a private door to the outside and its own full bathroom. It's a good sized bedroom. It has an oversized large shower with tiling all the way to the ceiling. Stainless steel finishes throughout. Double sink with quartz countertop. Backyard has a nice pool with pavers surrounding the pool. There's nice palm trees and trees around. The back patio is covered and has a built-in barbecue with sink. There's a turf area with an oversized gate that leads to the alley behind. There's a side yard that has another patio area with pavers, which is connected to the living room. There's a loft area upstairs that allows for another living space or home office area. It connects to the primary suite, which is oversized and has plenty of windows to enjoy the incredible views of Camelback Mountain. Bathroom has 2 vanities, both of them attached to the wall so they don't touch the floor. They have quartz countertops. There's a large separate soaking tub and a large shower with tile all the way to the ceiling. The closet has been customized with shelving that allows you to adjust the shelving to the configuration that you please. Gosh, that was such a stunning house. It was built in 2018 and I love the location. It's Biltmore Arcadia area and it sits at the end of a street, so it's a corner lot and it's on a residential street where every single house is a luxury home and each one is uniquely designed. So there's no cookie cutter where your house is gonna look like every other house down the street. It's just a nice, quiet residential area. And Biltmore Arcadia is actually one of the most coveted areas to live in all of Arizona. The homes tend to be on tree-lined streets, grassy front yards, which we don't have a lot of in Arizona. Plus, some of the best shopping and restaurants is literally right down the street. If you would like more information on this house or any other one, reach out. All the information is below. Thanks so much for hanging out and I'll see you next time. Bye.